Hey you guys, it's Chad. I wanted to do a quick video today of the underneath of the cars. I had posted a couple of pictures before I did the videos of the underneath of the cars, and someone had posted, "Oh, did you get your car repainted? Because I see overspray underneath." And so I wanted to show a video that the Lexuses are actually, when they're painted, the whole car's painted, and then Lexus had done like an undercoating, I guess, to kind of protect it from the elements. Not just for mine, but all of them. So I wanted to do a video to kind of clarify what was going on underneath the car. So here we go. So here we're taking a look underneath Spicy, and you could see that the whole car is dipped, in the paint. And then you can see where they started to spray the undercoating, which a lot of brand new cars don't even do that anymore. It obviously isn't as thorough as they did in cars a long time ago, but at least they did a little bit. And then you can see it with Zesty because, the yellow shines through the black. But see, you can see right here, like the whole car is dipped with yellow, and then they spray on the undercoat. I'm not quite sure why they don't just dip the whole bottom of the car in. I'm not a paint specialist, but my friend who's into paint had mentioned that older cars have this, the new cars don't. So at least the Lexus looks like they did a little bit of an undercoating. Thanks for watching.